Hi, I'm Annapolis with Island Carpet, here on Goat Island, where we recently completed a job for a boat that shipped up from South Africa and is going through renovations before proceeding to the Annapolis Boat Show. I'm sorry, I can't do this. The big flooring problem they have relates to the hatches below deck, which were imperfectly cut at the time of manufacture.
We decided to get them reseated. That required us to pull up the existing flooring that we had put on the boat in South Africa, which we cannot buy here in the States.
The challenge is to pull up the existing vinyl plank, refashion the hatches, and choose a new product in a color and style that closely matches the vinyl plank on the main deck.
So we decided to go with the Petrified Shale from memory. The product that Island Flooring has given us is very close to what we have already down on the floor in the main salon. Happy to have them on board.